today we're going to be making fast foam bubbles in the sink. You need some baby bath or some bubble solution, electric whisk or a hand manual whisk. It'll just take a bit longer, but somebody can help you do that one. And some food colouring. You don't have to have the food colouring, but I am going to give it a whirl today. So you fill your sink up, which I will do. Some bubbles in there. We start whisking. As you can see, I'm adding a bit of food colouring. There we go. Mixing it around. You can choose any colour, you can discuss the colour. Oh, it's all coming up live. So you can have fun whisking. There we go. You can also have fun. I've got all these little bits you can put in there and collect the bubbles. You can make little bubble pies. And you can talk about how many scoops you're doing. Also, the other thing I was thinking about, this is very popular in Daisy's, the soap dispenser. So if you can find an old soap dispenser, fill it up, dilute it, they'll enjoy just pumping the soap out, which Daisy thoroughly enjoyed. Anyway, enjoy.